Hi everyone, this is Team Mark and Harry, and we will be explaining Radix sort and basically how it's done. So if we take a look at the Radix sort, what we're going to do is we're going to have values and bins. So for instance, for values from 0 to 9, we would need 10 bins, each for a corresponding value. So the 0 would be placed in its corresponding bin. Same with the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So depending on how many values you have, you'll need the same amount of bins. So we're going to use 5 values, so we will only be needing these 4 bins. We won't really be using these. So here are our numbers to sort: 121, 132, 221, 234, and then here are our corresponding bins for each iteration that we'll need before we find the final value. So from here we'll be moving to using the least to most significant digit, moving them into the bins, and then eventually, hopefully, having them sorted at the end. So we'll move to that now with Harry.
The least significant digit here, starting from the left to the right numbers. So for 121, our least significant digit is 1. So we put this in the 1 bin. So 121. For 132, it's 2, so 132. For 221, it's also 1, so 221. For 234, it's 4, so we do 234. And then we move on to the next least significant digit, going from left to right. So for 121, that's 2, so 121 is here. Next 221, also 2. So 221, and then 132, that's our 3, so we have 132 over here, and then 234, we go to our 3, which is 234 here, and then we go to our next least significant digit, which is our most significant digit. So this one is 1, so 121, and then 221, and then we have 132, and then we have 234. And now we have our numbers in order. So we have 121, 132, 221, 234. So we have 121, 32, 221, and 234. So now our numbers are sorted from lowest to highest, using Radix sort. So for Radix sort, we have an O of NK all across the board. That's the worst time complexity. The space complexity, it takes up a little more space in your memory than other methods, but in big O notation, it looks like a really good sort. So in summary, that's how Radix sort works. It's really fast if you have short numbers, and if you have numbers with values 0 through 9 in them. If you have longer numbers, it would take a little bit longer. And that's all. Thank you.